Hello friends, this is Gokul from Gokul Tech, and today in this video we are going to see how to create a conditional formatting for the whole table which highlights each and every row based on the value which we are defining in the desired column. And I have taken a data set of agents data where they got the commission based on the amount they have sold in that particular company. To highlight the cells, I need a particular amount or the target amount to know the agents overall got the more than the target amount, right? So I'm going to fix the target amount as 1500 here. Now I want to know who are all the agents have got more commission amount more than 1500, and it should highlight the whole table. So the whole process is breakdown into three simple parts. I'm going to take you through each and every step. So I request everyone not to skip any part of this video so that you will not miss any piece of information related to using this conditional formatting along with the formula. First step, our very first step is just check based on the logical testing using if condition. This particular value is greater than our target value which is in column F2. Log the cell so that you will get the absolute result, and if it is true give me 1, if it is false give me 0. Close the bracket and hit enter. So just fill down the values and we will get the values whichever is more than 1500 as 1 and less than 1500 as 0. Now I'm going to implement the conditional formatting. How I'm going to do is select the complete column, click on conditional formatting, click on new rule and format the cells that contain cell value is equal to and give the value as 1, format and fill it with green, click OK. So this value whichever is true is got highlighted completely is a green color. So this helps me to identify agents who are all got the value more than 1500. Now the same step I want to do it for the whole table, right? I'm just copying the whole table, I'm pasting it over here. So those complete value I need to get it for this complete area, right? So step 2 what I can do is the same condition I can apply it for this particular column. So I'm going to do it in the step 2 here. Let's merge this column and I'm mentioning it as step 1. This will be my step 2 where I'm directly putting the values over this conditional formatting. Click on new rules, cells that contain value is equal to, so value is greater than, I can refer the cell which is 1500, hit enter and format it based on the color whichever we require. I am giving the green. So the same result you can able to see on the table where we are able to get this, right? So we are done with the step 1 and step 2. Now the trickier part is I need to do it for the whole table, which is the whole agent table should get colored based on my condition. So how to achieve that? So I'm starting with the step 3. Now we need to apply the same formula for all these 4 columns which we have got the values, right? So how to achieve those values? So the same formula which we have applied in the column E, I'm going to apply it for the whole table so that this complete cell will get copied. Let's see how it will going to work. 4 columns need to get the same formula. I'm going to test it with the same if condition which we have started earlier. So if my this value is greater than this one, then give me true, or else return me false. Close the bracket, hit enter, and you can see the whole table value we got is true. The why we got true is because these cells get changed because of this. We have forgot to log the F4. We have to log the target value so that we will get the absolute result. So now you can see true and false is for false. The same value we have, wherever we have false, we have achieved it. Now I have to apply it for the whole table, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this formula and paste it till for the 4 columns. But you can see this, the true, there is no true is applied on this particular 3 other columns. This has happened why? Because even we forgot to log the column where which we are referring for the condition of fixed value. So what we can do is we can log only the columns so that it will not change, but the row number will change. So copy this complete formula and paste it over there, and you can see the complete 4 columns are getting true. Wherever it is false, it is getting false. Now this, if we give the condition, the table will get colored accordingly. So this table value, this same condition I am going to apply it in the conditional formatting. How to do is select the complete table, conditional formatting, click on new rules, and then use the formula to determine it. So what is the formula we have used? The formula is equal to, and my K2, right? So log the column K, not the row values, which should be greater than my F2. Click on the format and fill it with green color. Click OK. Click OK here. You can see the desired result wherever the value is more than 4500, it is got completely highlighted into green color. So this is how we can get, break down into the complicated work into smaller parts and achieve the target. Hope you have understood this concept clearly. If you have any doubts in this video, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you. Have a great day.